Yesterday I did a workshop on Master the Art of Dating. When I first started my agency, I began a series, Master the Dating, Master the Art of Flirting, Master the Art of Being in a Relationship. 3-part series I've taught many times, always just a little different edge, a little different spice to it. Well, I am Jacqueline of JacquelineNichols.com now. I used to be Jacqueline of DiscoverLoveMatches.com. Now I have a beautiful, dynamic, amazing woman who has bought my agency. And with her purchasing my agency and taking over all the details, I am now able to make my mind go whoosh. It's really crazy. All these thoughts, all these ideas, all these feelings, all these things I've been working on for so freaking long that I've been just busy running a business and I haven't been able to implement, I now can. So it was really interesting. Last night I did the workshop and I followed the cues of what I've done before, just a little more current and heightened. And I loved it. I love sharing my tips and my expertise. But then about halfway through, my angel started yelling at me in their loving, devoted kind of way and said, "What the heck? What are you doing? Why are you teaching what you did before when your clients are ready for the angel version of this workshop?" Yeah, even my angels love to smack me around and tell me I got to do more things. I got to say more things. So in celebration of all that I'm doing, all that I'm committed to, I am going to redo the workshop and I will add some highlight reels about it. I'll have it as a course people can purchase, but I'm going to give a little snippet and tidbits for you that didn't get to be at the regular workshop. And I'm going to do a version of what the heck is going on from the land of angels, because let's just get real here. Let's be honest. Dating can be exhausting. Dating can be depressing. Dating can be depleting. Dating can be disappointing. But it also can be so exciting, so fulfilling, so rewarding. But I don't think anything traditional is going to make it spice people up. We need it to be delicious. We need it to be desirable. We need it to be darn tootin' sexy. And we need to be so ready to be devoured and to feel wonderful. And if we don't get ourselves where that adrenaline, that spice, that excitement to kick in, we're just not going to make any progress in dating. It doesn't matter how many things I can teach you and say, hey, be patient with men in their communication. Women, stop being so confusing. Men, tell ladies what you want, take the lead, be masculine, be dominant while being soft and sweet. Ladies, you got to co-create, you got to do all of these things. I believe in everything I'm teaching on the surface of the specifics. But when we go deeper and we do the angel work, it's a whole different dimension. My question to you, because I love to keep the conversation going and I want you to like, follow, and subscribe me. My question to you is, how open are you to dating with advice led by the angels, or dating in all the traditional ways of dating apps? To say dating apps become traditional, meeting people through friends. You can meet people in so many ways. My clients get introductions all the time, but the question is, how are they going to participate? How are they going to get raw and vulnerable and be engaging and curious? The thing is, people are getting so stuck in, do you check my list? Do I check your list? Instead of, do I want to cuddle with you? Do I like listening to you? Do I just want to walk around and do random things with you? Do I want to take a spontaneous trip with you? Do I want to hang out with you and my friends? Do I want to ... If it makes you smile, makes you take a little breath and raise your eyebrows in a good way, then maybe it's something you should dig into. What if we threw away all the lists of expectations of what are they going to do for me, and instead we let the chitty chatty angels up here say, hey, we want to hang out with that guy too. We like that girl. She's fun. Like, let's make this a joint effort. Let's co-create with our angels and not make it where it's so much of, he was too early. He was too short. He didn't show me enough attention. He didn't do this. She didn't communicate with me. She didn't let me talk it through with her. She didn't make time for my desires and my wants. Let's just get over ourselves and let's say, what do the angels have in store for us? All right, I got some new juicy stuff for you because the angels version is always so much better. Let's keep chatting.